Dakulang orgulyo sa muya na nyaong kamudigdi. Dakulang pong pasalamat mi sa indo na nyaong kamo sa opening ng fire prevention.
It is a pleasure being with you today on the start of your quest for safer and more secured homes, offices, and establishments with the kick-off ceremony of this year's Fire Prevention Month.
Kung tayo ay magkaisa, magtulungan, we can make a difference for preventing fires and protecting lives.
May this activity serve as a compelling reminder to our commitment in protecting the people, the property, and our shared future.
Maliwanag po ang mensahe na kailangan nating magkaisa para maiwasan ang sunog.
It's a beautiful day. Feeling good, it's a beautiful day. The sunshine is here to stay. The sunshine is here to stay. It's a beautiful, beautiful day.
By working together and supporting one another, we can create a safer and more resilient environment for ourselves and the future generations to come. We at the DILG are committed to making Fire Prevention Month a transformative time for the Bicol region. We want to do more than just observe this month.
The Bureau of Fire Protection fulfill its promise that sa pag-iwas sa sunog, hindi ka nag-iisa. On behalf of the women and men of the Bureau of Fire Protection, Region 5, allow me to welcome you all to the Fire Prevention Month 2024 Kick-Off Ceremony and Fire Square Roadshow. Again, Diyos maray na aga and thank you so much.
I never used to take it slow. I'll feel the air and take the long way home. This place.
On behalf of the men and women of the Kasurug Cups, I express our unwavering support to the commitment of the Bureau of Fire Protection.
Together, let us rise to the challenge of Fire Prevention Month 2024, knowing that our collective efforts today will shape a brighter and safer tomorrow for generations to come.
We commend our dear firefighters' commitment in promoting safe and awareness, as well as exemplifying notable public service.
We salute our brothers and sisters in the firefighting profession. Like the other members of the uniformed personnel, you make our life easier and safer, even as we sleep. Congratulations for the Fire Prevention Initiative.
We do not only support the Bureau of Fire Protection Regional Office 5. We collaborate, we participate, and we are into it. Kasi nga, fire is disaster,
Kaya ito ay pangunahing mandato ng Office of Civil Defense. This is under one of the pillars of civil defense. Going back to this year's theme, the Office of Civil Defense Regional Office 5 assures the Bureau of Fire Protection Regional Office 5 na hindi kayo nag-iisa dahil ang OCD5 ay nandito para tumulong sa anuman na pangangailangan ng Bureau of Fire Protection kapag may sunog.
So I encourage everyone spread the message about Fire Prevention Month.
Bicol University as a University for Humanity o ang pamantasan para sa sangkatauhan fully supports fire prevention.
Patuloy nyo kaming maaasahan upang makamit ang nilalayon ng inisyatibang ito.
The DTI-5 is fully committed year-round to fulfill our mandate that contributes to the safety of our consumers.
Asahan niyo po sa anumang bagay, 100% pong nakasupport ang DPWH.
DepEd po ay palaging nakasuporta sa Bureau of Fire Department.
Sa kasabihan nga po natin, sa pag-iwas sa sunog, hindi ka nag-iisa.
Together, we can build a safer and more resilient community for all.